Pond water leak detection process. Step 1. Close the home well valve. Step 2. Pressure test. Connect the cold water pipe to the pressure pump. Step 3. Start to pressurize, usually to 8 to 10 kilograms, and then check whether the pressure drops. If the pressure drops by more than 0.3 kilograms within half an hour, it means that there is a water leak in the pipe. Step 4. Pump up the air pressure. Pump up the air pressure to discharge the excess water in the pipe. Step 5. Start testing with a leak detector. Start leak detection at multiple points.
Yeah, that is water leakage point. You can see that the sound is very loud, and then I change it to another point. So the sound is not very loud. Okay, we get back, and then the sound is still not. So that is water leakage point. It's far from leakage point. You can see that it's not very high. Yeah. Next, we are changing it to the leakage point. Okay, you can see that it's very high. So that is, yeah, that is leakage point. Okay. And then we change it to another point. So you can see that it's very low, it's not very high. So the number 2, okay, we back. The number 2 is still high, so it's a leakage point. We got it.
Start digging for leak detection points. Find the leak point.
That is a water leakage point. We found that.